This is a map of tram lines for a city. Each of the trams travels on these lines several times a day, and the connection of their pantograph to the overhead network causes wear on both the contact wire and carbon strip. The contribution of different sections of the lines in causing these wears is not the same, and the lack of sufficient information about the sections that cause the most damage can make the maintenance process complex and costly. Pantohal's innovation can solve this problem in 2 steps. The first step is collecting data from the wayside monitoring system that's located in a common section of all the lines and measuring the features of carbon strip wear precisely. And the second step is equipping some trams with Pantograph onboard monitoring hardware, which will continuously monitor the pantograph and overhead network. The information collected from these 2 steps allows Pantograph to not only calculate the contribution of each section in creating wear, but also to identify their damaging points and the proportion of each point in causing these wears using its mathematical model. All this information, along with a best repair time for different points, is provided to the user by the Pantograph software. This way, budget allocation can be done more intelligently by prioritizing the repair of damaged sections. And as a result, the lifespan of the overhead network and maintenance efficiency will be increased.